a demonstration. Let's look at the device screen first. So you'll see this is the Xstation2. You'll see there's a small difference in the icons because the Xstation2 actually has a model with the QR, but also has a model without the QR, just a card terminal with an LCD screen. I won't go into the details. I just want to let you know, excuse me, if you want to issue a QR code through BioStar2, you need to have the SMTP settings done here. So if you have your own SMTP server, you can put in the credentials here, just put any name, maybe if you need, you can put a description, address, port, credentials, security type, and definitely you will also always have to put on the sender. And then from here, you can use it for the visual face mobile enrollment, but today we're going to use it for the QR. So just simply click QR. You can input the title of the email that the user will receive. You can put in your company name and contact. So if you go to the user clean, I will add, there's all that me, with my email address. And you can see on the right, you'll see the new credential type as QR and barcode. So if you see here, you'll be able to see just normal QR barcode or a BioStar2 QR. So this part, if you go first, so since this is a menu, a credential type to use the already issued QR codes or barcodes, we do not provide any scan methods because it really doesn't make sense to actually use the QR to actually scan the QR to enroll it. So we can just put in here, but differently, BioStar2 it didn't allow any characters, but as I said, it allows printable ASCII characters. So you can see here, I've already made a QR code as a capital A123. I'll enroll this, and on the bottom you'll see a new QR barcode added, having an ID of A123. So I'll just apply this, and this means through the Xstation2 my credentials have been sent. So you see here, there's this QR code, and you'll see that I got authenticated. So this is just a simple explanation, but it can be on any kind of like hospitals having risk with QR codes or barcodes, any other credentials already being used with a QR code. You can just simply enroll it, not on one single at a time, but maybe you can use the CSV import to add all the credentials at once. The next sample that I would like to show is how the BioStar2 QR code is used. So you can issue from here, you can change the type to BioStar2 QR code. The card ID will be generated randomly, but you can also still use by entering manually. For this time, I'll just use the random number. So if you're going to issue from the BioStar2, actually the card ID should be random. Or if you have any needs, then you can just put it as the ID you want. So this time I'll just use it as random. Now you can see I have two types of barcodes. This is the normal, this is just BioStar2 QR. Now if we if I click apply from here, you'll see it's created. It's going to show a new QR code has been sent via email. So I put in my email. I'll show you the screen, but I'll actually create one more user, Willis, so you can check your email on your side. Wait. So tech.com. Am I correct? I believe I am. And then I will add. So if I was correct, Willis, you'll be able to receive a QR code through email. So if you have time later, you can check, or you can check now. What I will do is I will check my email from here. As you can see from here, it has arrived. 3:26 p.m. Yep, 27 minutes past 3. So you can see it has arrived. What I will do is I'll download this image from my smartphone and do an authentication. Okay. All right, so you can see this is the QR code that I've received. Yep. And I'll do an authentication. Yep. So you'll see. Okay. One more try. You can use it from your smartphone. You can use it as a printed QR code. Let's see. So I've mentioned about the camera. So what I will do is I'll enable the image log feature and show you that it just works. Oh, it was actually already there. So what I will do is, and you can have it on a larger screen. So as we mentioned, it is quite versatile. So this is basically the very features that I've wanted to show. I believe in all of our devices, it's just going to be there all the time.